Welcome to Express. Hmm. Still on Bola Tinubu's satirical comedy episodes. Wow, Bola. Enu shaki sinara kokime. Really? I never knew I would be president. Tinubu tells the class of 1999 governors when he met with them in Asuvak. You know, we have a king of boys. Hey, he's the king of the boys. He's the king of boys. You know, we have the gangs of Lagos. Tinubu is the leader of the gang of 1999. So come along with me as we go on this satirical comedy show with preselect president Bola Ahmed thiefnubu. Come along with me. Preselect Bola Ahmed Tinubu met with a class of 1999 governors at the presidential villa in Abuja. Some of the former governors who turned up for the meeting include, this is them marking register now. You know, it is important for you to know your classmates. When you were in the kindergarten, when you were in the nursery school, when you were in the primary school, when you were in the secondary school, when you went to your university degrees, which Bola Ahmed doesn't have any. Nobody showed up to be his primary school mates, his secondary school mates, his university mates, his university classmates. No show. So this is him trying to prove that he has classmates. You see, said the class of 1999 governors. Those are his classmates. Okay, so this is them now identifying with him in solidarity with him, and this is like a roll call. It is a roll call. So come along with me as we get to meet the gang class of 1999 that took over from the gang class of 1966. So it's gonna be quite explosive. So drum roll, and here's the roll call. Some of the former governors who turned up for the meeting include James Abori, Delta State, Donald Duke, Cross River, Niyi Adebayo, Ekiti, Lucky Igbenedion, Edo, Oji Uzo Kalu, Abia, Sam Igbu, Ebonyi. Others are Chamoroke, Inamani, Enugu, Ibrahim Saminu, Turaki, Jigawa, Adamu Mwazo, Bauchi, Obong Victor Atta, Akwa Ibom, Olusegun Oshoba, Ogun, Bisi Akondi, Oshun, Hamad Yerima, Zamfara, Jolly Nyamen, Taraba, Atairu Bafarawa, Shokoto, Joshua Dariye, Plateau. It needs to be clarified that what the meeting's agenda is, nobody knows. Recall that Tinubu was the governor of Lagos from 1999 to 2007. So these are the gang of crooks. These are the gangs of crooks, irrespective of their tribe, irrespective of their religion. irrespective of their geographical location within the cook-up, whatever, called Nigeria. They all come together. They all have one thing in common. They all have, none of them could be said to be men of timber caliber. None of them could be said to be men of good character. Kò sí kankan nu wọn tí wọ́n bí ire tàbí tí wọ́n tún ra wọn bí sí dáadáa. Wọn níwà. Ìwà jàǹgídíjà, ojú ìṣáájú, gbogbo wọn yìí, ojú ìṣáájú, bóòbò pa, bóòbò bù lẹ́sẹ̀, ó ní wọ́n fi débẹ̀ o. Kò kí ṣe pé bóyá àwọn èèyàn fínúfíndọ̀, even as far back as that, bí wọ́n síbẹ̀ o. Wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn lọ, wọ́n yí bò, wọ́n ṣe oríṣiríṣi náà fi débẹ̀ o. And Tinubu pè wọ́n sí pé okay o, ẹ máa bọ̀, ẹ rí mi báyìí. But people have reacted, so we're gonna find out what the reactions are. So, somebody said reunion of thieves. Absolutely, I agree with that. Of course, it's a reunion of thieves. These agbayas are so annoying. Can you just imagine? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Tinubu is rallying them round. Wọ́n rally wọn round. Bọ́n ṣe wá yẹn, ẹnu òfìfo kì í dún yànmùyànmù. Wọ́n lè wà lọ́wọ́ asán ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò ní padà lọ́wọ́ òfìfo. Kí là ń sọ ẹ́? What is the importance of the X at this present time? Kò yé mi o. Àwọn oní past glory. Wọ́n ti lò gbà wọn, sáà wọ́n ti lọ o. Just imagine, you have served your time. Please go and continue eating your pension and leave Nigeria alone. Tinubu should mind the big job at hand because there is nothing to steal again with the likes of Ibori and Uzo Oji. Wọ́n sọ pé ìpàdé àwọn wèrè àtàsínwín. Ìpàdé àwọn wèrè àtàsínwín náà pé normal reunion to eat rice, sleep in government house, and go home with big brown envelopes. What our subsidy removal money is used for. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. For the time I knew Tinubu doesn't mean well for this country. He is assembling class of thieves. He is assembling his class of thieves to continue where they stopped. Nigeria is. Yes, so Ali Baba and the 40 thieves. Yes, so they're not more ṣe ní kòńkẹ́lẹ́. This is ojú kòró. Gbogbo wọn wá ń kóra wọn jọ. Of course, àgbàlọ́ tó rò lọ, Tinubu náà ló lè pull wọn together. They are not showing up in batches. Lẹ́gbẹ̀lẹ́gbẹ̀ ó dàbí Tinubu is doing his own version of Ojúde Ọba. He's doing his own version of Ojúde Ọba. Ó ti ṣe ti tàwọn senators, ó ti ṣe ti tàwọn judiciary, ó ń ṣe wọ́n ní set by set. Gbogbo wọn jọ ń wà nǹkó. Kí ni nǹkan tó tẹ̀sán wọ́n pọ̀ ju wìkìṣíwìgì mọ́? Wọ́n bílí kí wọ́n bí àbọ̀ ṣe máa jẹ mẹ̀kúnnù run. Gbogbo wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn nǹkan tó sọ wọ́n pọ̀ wọ́n ẹni mìíní, which is mẹ̀kúnnù, tó ṣe máa bà ti mẹ̀kúnnù jẹ́, tó ṣe máa jẹ ti mẹ̀kúnnù run. Àwọn ọ̀ràn àfòmọ́ ni wọ́n ní gbòǹgbò, ṣùgbọ́n bí ibi tó ń jẹ́ wà lára igi, ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa lọ, ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa jókòó sí. So somebody now said there was a war between the governors and the ex-military. Yes, because the class of the 66 ones, half of them are military governors, military in one position or another. Because from 1999, that was when their so-called charade, called crazy demonstration, that was when it started. Okay, there was a war between governors and ex-military, championed by Obasanjo and Buhari. Obasanjo used the likes of Hamadu Ali, the garrison politics commander from Ibadan, now late, and Tony Aneni to execute his wars, and Buhari interestingly used Oshiomhole to try to whittle down the power of governors. But the governors used the Nigerian Governors Forum and the enormous powers they have to wage an effective war. And they have won convincingly, have they? Their strategy of moving from state houses to NAS has paid off. That, you see, that is it. All these governors, their retirement home is the NAS. So you will see all of them once they finish as governors. The next step is to go for senator this, senator that, recycling themselves. So, and Tinubu has showed them the way that you can get away with it and even one day turn up to be the president. Can you just imagine? They literally control and own the political space. But with them holding and controlling the political space, what have they done with it? All they've done with it, all that is evidently saying is nothing but poverty. It's not, there's no progress. There is no progress. Like the education system is gone, the healthcare system is gone, the public service system is gone, the transportation system is gone. Nothing is working. The only thing working for them is the money. They are still stealing and sharing amongst themselves. The ex-military guys have gone under. Can we really say they've gone under? Can that be said? It's just that they are behind the scenes. They are running the show from behind the scenes. Because like they all have to still go back to them and seek their approval before they go for strategic public offices. To see them paying homage to like the likes of Babangida, what's this guy's name? I can't remember his name now. The guy that did the constitution, Abdul Salam, and the likes. You see them paying homage to them, and you see them, and the likes of Obasanjo, and you see them seeking for their validation before they can go ahead and contest. So they've not really gone on them. These are source for political science education in Nigeria. I don't see any other class or folks ruling Nigeria anytime soon. Yes, they want to be. Yes, yeah. I think yeah. It's that commentator is right, because I think it's the time for the 1999 sets gang, but it's not gonna last because the people are gonna take over. The class of 1999 will be remembered when you use your mobile phone. Tinubu, Ibori, and Arthur were the first investors in the Econet. With which money? Money stolen from the masses. Blood money. People died. In every facet and aspects of the economy, people died because they are selfish, because they refuse to provide basic necessities to make the country function. Econet that later became Vodacom, Citel, and now Airtel. They stopped the third term agenda, although Obasanjo accuses them of being the culprits. The 1999 boys are now men. Now them get this government. Of course, they are men. But what caliber are they? They are not men. They are still boys. And one more time, and some more time. And one Agbero. They are all Agberos. Glorified Agberos. That's what they are. So now this is oh my God, Tinubu is so cheeky. He is cheeky and corny. He now went for the. So after they've marked the roster now to know who is present and who didn't show up, this is him now addressing them. He said, I never knew I would be president. You see, that is a lie, an outright lie. Because when you were making your speech in Ijebu in Ogun State, you of Ogun, you said it was your lifetime ambition to become the president, the preselect, the president, the self-select. And whether by crook or whichever means so, you're ready. You said what money cannot buy, more money will buy. And that is what is being played out. That is what you are enacting in your show of shame. Tinubu tells the class of 1999 governors, courtesy of Mr. Yakubu. Yeah, Yakubu's you stop saying it is of God. No, it is not of God, because Yakubu is your God. Yakubu is the one that put you there. Okay, Yakubu is the one that put you there. So people did not vote in Lagos. So Bola Leko ó fìdí rẹmi, nílẹ̀ Yorùbá lápapọ̀ ó fìdí rẹmi, tó túmọ̀ sí pé wọ́n fẹ́, tó túmọ̀ sí pé wọ́n sí lẹ́yìn. Even àwọn ará Òkè Ọya tí Rìkíṣí dáyìn pọ̀, tí kì í payín pọ̀, tí wọ́n ní àmọ́ wọ́rí àgbẹ̀ ọ débẹ̀, àgbẹ̀ àwọn gan-an wọn ò tí ì gbéra wọn débẹ̀. Torí ẹ̀ ni Yakubu ṣe wá, tó wá fi ojúṣàájú tó fi gbé ẹ síbẹ̀, òkúta ẹ̀dẹ̀sìn, òkúta ẹ̀sìn ẹsẹ̀ yọ síta. Ìlú ò fẹ́ lóyè, ìlú ò fẹ́ lóyè. Ifá gan ò yàn ẹ́ sórí oyè, o kì í ṣọmọ oyè, ìdílé ò kì í jọba. Oúnjẹ àìtọ́ òun oúnjẹ, obì tí wọ́n dà fún obì yóò yàn, ìwọ ló fọwọ́ ara ẹ̀ dà tí ó yàn. Nígbà tó débi tó ti máa gbégbá, igbá omi wà, igbá oyin wà, igbá adùn wà, igbá agbọ́n òun ló gbé. Igbá yẹn agbọ́n wà nú ẹ̀, ẹgbá wà nú ẹ̀, scorpion wà nú ẹ̀, ejò, all everything poisonous. Nǹkan tó gbé nìyẹn, because nǹkan tó wẹ̀ ò tó, òun ló fi gàngàn fà. Ṣùwárí gàngàn tó fà yìí, fúnra ara yín náà lè máa fúnra yín lóògùn jẹ. Ohun tó so yín pọ̀ náà ló máa tún yín ká. Má dé wá rò pé wọ́n máa wà kó wo ẹ̀yin máa fi. Ṣé o rántí àmì ẹni ìjọba ẹ̀wẹ̀kú ẹwẹlẹ́? Àmì ẹni ìjọba ẹ̀wẹ̀kú ẹwẹlẹ́ ni ó máa tún yẹ nígbà yẹn á wá kù wọ nìkan. Akú ẹnìkan ní yàrá o, gbogbo ẹbí àrèlé. Akú ẹnìkan ní yàrá o, gbogbo ẹbí. Ẹ mẹ́fì ọmọ olè báyìí sí okùn nìkan. Okùn ni nǹkan tó tìyàn lójújo lè lọ́wọ́ ilé aṣọ tó jí, tó wọ̀, tó wá gorí ẹṣin ẹ̀tẹ́, ẹṣin àbùkù, ó máa rí bọ̀. Ó tiẹ̀ ti rí bọ́, because kò sí bó ṣe máa ṣe èbòlò tí ò ní rúgbẹ́, ó máa wà nínú ìtàn. Mo kàn máa ń náfàtà wọn tó máa ń sọ pé Awólọ́wọ̀ ṣe tí Awólọ́wọ̀ òde bẹ́ẹ̀, Abíọ́lá ẹ má fi kú wo òun tó dùn ń bàjọ́ra wọn ni kẹ́ fi ríra wọn náà. Epo ẹ̀pà àná, the difference is clear. 7up. This one is the worst of the worst. So kò tiẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan tó pa wọ́n pàtó. No. They are no. Ó ti wá débẹ̀ ńgbà tó wá dé ọ̀nà wo ló gbà débẹ̀. Ẹ dẹ̀ má máa tàn kí n máa sọ pé bàbá wo, ta ni bàbá ìyá, tó bí mo òṣì ta ni ọmọ bàbá àwọn wo ṣé bí bàbá tó bá okay fine okay ń pè ní bàbá ṣé bí bàbá ṣe máa ń ṣe nìyẹn ajá mọmọ tiẹ̀ fún lọ́mú ọmọ tòjú ọ̀yà ṣé bó bàbá ṣe bàbá dáadáa díìsà àwọn bàbá abímáwò àwọn bàbá abímáwò kọ́mọ tó jogún màá jọgbọ̀n ẹ wá máa ní bàbá yín pé kí ni oh my god don't mind me so where was I okay President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has said that he never knew that he would ever become the president of Nigeria. In a statement released by presidential spokesperson Dele Alake, he said the preselect disclosed this while addressing the class of 1999 governors, the gang class of 1999 governors at the council chamber of Asobila, Abuja. The ex-governors were at the state house to identify with Tinubu, who was the governor of Lagos State from May 1999 to 2000. And of course, one identify come on, no le bari pon lani, ko le bari ton lambe. Tinubu ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. We served as governors and sat in this council chamber. All I wanted was democracy and the salvation of the country. Wow, that's yet to be seen. I never thought I was going to be here. I never thought I was going to be here as president. Tinu, Bola, irọ́ ọbẹ̀ lónìí kúrò yẹn, ẹ máa gbọ́ wọn. But God Almighty has brought me here. No! Yakubu, Professor Yakubu, Ologbe Edebe. Okay? Let's get the facts right. My commitment to that democratic value is unwavering. Commitment? I don't think so. No, commitment, no. I am overwhelmed, and honored, by the number of you here. Tinubu were overwhelmed, by their numbers. I'm to pay to one gem. I have an open door policy. Don't too much say people jabudan go near my ball. A wide dear, so that to buy tó bá jata mi tó jẹpo mi tó nánú owó mi ò lè bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ mi láì dáa ó ń ra wọn nìyẹn o ìjàpá ọlọ́gbẹ́ ẹ̀wà you are my advisers àwọn ló ní àwọn the gangs of 1999 ó láwọn ní àwọn ní olùdámọ̀ràn nǹkan tó wá sọ bí bàí Bọ́lá kúrú gbá lẹ́nu ẹ̀ ó ní we went into the pond and wrestled with a pig. We got dirty and cleaned up. You went into the pond. Sam, who is the pond? Or what is the pond? Ṣé àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù ṣáwọn ní the pond? And wrestled with a pig. Who is the pig? We got dirty and cleaned up. That is why I am here today. Bọ́lá ní we, ìwọ àtàwọn gangs, you went to the pond and wrestled with a pig. We got dirty and cleaned up. You see, you are all pigs. This is like a reverse, what do they call that thing? You guys are the pigs. You set 99, set 60, 1966, all of you that has one point or another held political positions, served the people, are the pigs. It's the people that made the mistake, that brought you people out of the pond, brought you people out of your filth, wash you up, dress you up in gold, in clothes, thinking that once they've cleaned you up, once they've carried you out of the pond, you will now be human being. But you people went back to your filth. You went back to your pigsty. You did not clean up nothing. What you did was you went back in your filth. You messed up yourself. You now shake your dirt on all the people. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé bá mẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ kẹ́ góòlù sí kẹ́ sọ́dọ̀mọ́ ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ lẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ mama. You see this one? Oh, clean up nothing. Yori ìgbẹ́ fọ́rẹ́ ra Tinubu. What you are doing is you're kind of like bringing them in from the north, from the south, from the east, from the west. People of like minds. You're kind of bringing them now on draw one sort of. You're bringing on all the faceless ones. Anybody to bá ti identify pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, ara anyone. You're bringing them now. You want to be like, I'm not, if the Tobama sink, for sick by yourself, you want to bring them, ejo ma sinking, ma sick, go see ni, ejo ma rini. Torí pé lẹ́dẹ̀ ni gbogbo yín. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń lọ in solidarity, àwọn identify pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, àwọn one máa ní one trait to another. Birds of the same feather flock together. You must have something in common for you to be friends. So nǹkan tẹ́jọ́ wá ní nǹkan mọ̀ yẹn, greed ni o, whatever ni o. Nígbà tó bá máa rí, tó bá máa go down, fẹ́ dá drown, you're dragging them. You're trying to use them as your life. What do they call this thing when you're in the boat? You're trying to use all of them, all the people you're surrounding yourself with right now. You're trying to use them as your life jackets, so that they will keep you afloat. But gbogbo yín Titanic ni gbogbo yín jọ máa rìn ní, kò ní sí survivor kankan. Kò ní sí survivor kankan. Gbogbo yín ẹjọ máa drown. That is what you're trying to do. You're trying to be like, if I'm gonna go down, you guys are coming with me. So gbogbo àwọn tó wà hidden tá àti ẹ mọ̀ pé kìíní tí wọ́n identify pẹ̀lú ẹ boldly, going to Hassle Rock, sitting with you, meeting with you, gbogbo àwọn tẹ́jọ́ máa go down because you're gonna go down. Ilé téèyàn bá fi tán mọ́, ìrì ni ó wọ̀. Bí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ lọ lógún ọdún, láàbọ̀ ṣẹ́jú lòtítọ́ máa bá. So, yes, okay. We went into the pond and wrestled with a pig, and we got dirty and cleaned up. No, because clean up, messy little. Ìgbẹ́ tó yà yìí, ó fi rẹ́ gbogbo yín ló fi rẹ́ tó fi rẹ́ mẹ̀kúnnù. Òun ẹ̀ lásán ni mẹ̀kúnnù gbọ́ tí wọ́n fẹ́ kúlẹ̀. Òun ẹ̀ lásán ni mẹ̀kúnnù gbọ́ tí wọ́n fẹ́ kúlẹ̀. So now, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. So you guys are gonna go down. Fẹ́ dákú, but ó máa dákú ṣe bó dá wáyé ni. Ó máa dákú ni now. Ó máa dákú ni now. Gbogbo yín lẹ́jọ́ máa lọ. Ó fi wọ́n ṣe àlùbáàgì. That is why I'm here today, he said. Preselect Tinubu, while noting that the country will not make meaningful progress without fixing electricity, assured that its administration would harness gas resources and explore every opportunity to ensure stable power. No. before Kotobi Tinubu Norton Sonye. People are reacting. So let's find out. It's the lies for me. Yet you said you worked for 30 years to ensure you become the president, and here you go with the lies. Yes, so mi ò mọ nǹkan tó ń fi wá pè. Wọ́n máa sọ bóyá ó dẹ̀ ti gbàgbé. Imagine. Spot on. Spot on. Another person said, your rigging stinks. Mr. Not My President. We went into the pond and wrestled with a pig. We got dirty and cleaned up. That's why I am here today. Who is the pig? I wonder. Over 54 million Nigerian voters deprived, disenfranchised and rigged out by Professor Mahmood. Yes, so you never knew. You never knew. Yet said it was your turn. Lies from the pits of hell. I wish we have a working judicial system, because in fairness, you know you are not supposed to be president. Absolutely. He and his wife Remy are the same in thoughts. Shortly before the presidential election, his wife said that they were not as rich as people think, and that she had to borrow 2 million from Shetiman's wife. Yes, she did. She said that. A few days after that statement, at the Ecumenical Center, the same person said they don't need Nigeria government money to survive. I hate people that speak from both sides of them. Absolutely. I mean, they are the fakest fake. Their own level of fakeness. Their own level of lies. Oh my God. It's so unbelievable. Can you imagine Tinubu that was don't be any to my dasonu? Eh? Oh, they are so rock. Oh, one she. Oh, it they overdo walking. Can you imagine speaking from both sides of the mouth? You said it is your turn. That after Buhari, you impose on us, then you are next. Abio, I beg, tell him more. You wasted taxpayers' money to invite your criminal gangsters to Aso Rock just to tell them you never knew you will be president. What a misplaced priority. Spot on. It's misplaced priority. That is him rubbing it in. Yeah, any type of attack to know when you are to know in a sensible functioning society. Gbogbo wọn yẹn wọn náà máa wà. Ẹ̀wọ̀n ni wọ́n máa wà held accountable for everything they've done. For everything they've done. But ilẹ̀ máa tó mọ́ ilẹ̀ fẹ́ mú lóró yín. I never knew I would be president. Máa tàn rẹ̀ lórí irọ́. Can you imagine? Lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu olè ẹ̀ now. No. Kò tọ́ sẹ́nu ẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó sàn yẹn kò tọ́ sẹ́nu ẹ̀. If anything, àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù ló yẹ kán sọ. Àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù ló yẹ kán sọ. Àwọn ló yẹ kó sọ pé we went into the pond and wrestled with a pig. We got dirty and cleaned up, because all of you people will be cleaned up. Wọ́n máa clean yín up dáadáa. Wọ́n máa fi sí ṣáláńgá tó yẹ ká ẹ wà. Wọ́n máa sọ, ẹjọ́ mọ́ra yín. So it's all good. So the gangs of 1999, they're showing themselves now. So we know the members. We know who is who. So we've known the one for the senators and other whatever. We've known all of them. So it's all good. It's all good. Want to play roll call. Want to mark and register. And want to let him know they are standing by him. Gbogbo yín lẹ́jọ́ máa sink pọ̀. Gbogbo yín lẹ́jọ́ máa sink pọ̀. Tinubu mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. So but mo mọ̀ pé gbàgbọ́ jù. Èèyàn tó ń fi iná jó ara yòókù. iná tiẹ̀ náà máa jó iná tiẹ̀ máa jó nǹkan tó máa nà ó wà lára ẹ̀. So there you have it, guys. So Tinubu is just dishing out satirical comedies. I mean, it's just it is pathetic. It is pathetic. He has absolutely nothing to offer. So, can you imagine? Speaking from both sides of his mouth. Kéèyàn dẹ̀ máa purọ́. Funny enough, àgbàlagbà ni o. Imagine tó wá ṣe máa rí nígbà tó wà lọ́dọ̀. Nígbà tó wà lọ́dọ̀, àwọn a máa ní bàbá wọn. Bàbá wọn náà ni bàbá ìyá tó bímọ òṣì, àwọn bàbá abímáwò. Just imagine. So, guys, so I think until I come your way on this satirical comedy, Tinubu's satirical comedies, thanks for listening to me. Bye.